what does the law say? Because there is no need of that girl being sent away, and you can make your statements here, and the student, the teachers will allow those students to class.
Should be no discrimination whatsoever on matters of religion, on matters of any faith, and it is very clear. That's why I requested Honorable Chair that to give us more time, because the story we are getting from the Sub-County Director of Education in the preliminary report and what we are getting from the school seem to be requiring further investigation to understand really what happened with this on this particular issue.
So is the girl in school or not?
Yeah. We are being
Senior Counsel, 1 minute. So is the girl in school or not?
As we speak now, the girl was removed from the school.
Why?
Parent.
That's the question. Why? So you are going to seek more time, and the girl is staying at home. That's not fair.
Yeah, the girl must go back to school.
Who is tying your hands to make a decision? Why don't you pronounce yourself?
Sure that the girl gets back to school as soon as possible.
Now, immediately. Yes.
As soon as today.
Mkorino can wear his thing and go to school. A Sikh can wear his turban and go to school. A Muslim girl can go and wear hijab and go to school. The courts in our country have ruled against that.